my channel. It's your girl Keita J, and I'm going to do a BoxyCharm unboxing today and a try on. Okay, first off, let me just give y'all a little disclaimer on what happened with my box. Alright, so what happened was when I got the box, I opened it up so I can sanitize everything to make sure I ain't got none of that Rona going on. That's what I did. So I unboxed it, wiped everything down, chow. Then I spilled my whole dang on strawberry lemonade on top of it. So we're doing BoxyCharm unboxing, a little sticky style. When you first open up the box, you have this card, which you can see it on my camera. Bam. All right. So we got the card, which they said in the email that we wasn't even gonna get the card. So that's cool though. Thank you. I appreciate it. But anyways, it's festival vibes for this month. So, let's go ahead and get into it. So like I said, I already see what's in here because I opened it up. Anyways. So, the first thing I pulled out here is the face mask. So these are Tony Moly I'm Real Sheet Mask. Bam. Okay. So these replenish your skin with I'm Real Sheet Mask. The 3-layer pulp sheet is filled with natural ingredients and soaked in different types of enriched essences to yield maximum hydration for the skin, transform dull and tired skin into healthy moisturized skin in as little as 20 minutes. Okay, so we have a purifying one, which is I'm Cactus. And we have a calming one, I'm Hemp. Hey. Anyways. And then illuminating, I'm Lotus. The value for those is $9. So next thing I pulled out is the Porefessional Hydrate Primer. Benefit Porefessional. Okay. I'm gonna open it up here. It's like, there you go. Bam. Focus, baby. The Porefessional. Alright, so what this one says is the Silky Smooth Hydrating Face Primer instantly moisturizes and refreshes skins, helps makeup stay put, and minimizes the look of pores and fine lines. It has the same oil-free, lightweight feel and pore minimizing power as the original Porefessional plus 12-hour hydration for normal to dry skin. And this goes for $32. I would not have. Let me tell you something about me. Alright, I'm super cheap. Super cheap. Most of the makeup I have is probably drugstore. If it's not, it's because I ain't gonna lie, I got my taxes back or something. No, I don't know. Anyways, or because I do BoxyCharm, and I subscribe to my own BoxyCharm. I subscribe and pay for my BoxyCharm, and I usually pay for it. I either do 3, 6, or the year, whatever. Y'all, I'm just gonna throw this out here real quick too. Y'all, please don't come for me. I'm gonna tell you now, don't come for me and my nails. All right, we just gonna say that now. Pretty much, this quarantine has been hard, dog. It's been rough on your girl. It's been rough on your girl, man. Let me tell you. My nails was green the other day. I had, actually, pause, because I look in here and I see this palette, though. The Zoeva palette, honey. This is the exact color my nails was. This is what my nails look like. But I just had, you see I got a band-aid on this one. This one is split all the way down here. These ones is gone. Like, I had to soak them off. But I soaked them off to the point that I still left like the tips on it on my real nails so that they don't break. The rest of them at least. But this is the color my nails were. They're green with the gold over top of them like that. Yeah, it was pretty. But anyways, on to the Zoeva palette. And so in a palette. I don't know why. Anyway, so The eyeshadow palette offers a range of highly pigmented and easy to blend eyeshadow shades in tempting hues for ultra glamorous makeup looks. Okay, so the formulation of the eyeshadow is enriched with vitamin E, and this palette goes for $28. So let's open it up. It's pretty. It's pretty. I dig it. I dig it though. So it's like a neutral palette, very neutral palette, which I don't mind. I like the browns in it though, because ooh, it got some very deep browns. Look at those. That one here. Don't come for my nail. I promise you, don't come for me. Let me see. Ew, that's a nice brown. So you could do like a nice like smoky eye with this. Child, I don't know that much about makeup, but I'll be doing it though, and I'll be looking cute. Anyways, I just want to say, we're going to put this down real quick. Happy 420, y'all. Real quick. Happy 420. It's official. All right, let's continue to rock and roll. So anyways, back to this palette. But this is the Cocoa Blend palette. I didn't know what it seems like, because I'll be nosy, I'm gonna be honest. I watch a lot of BoxyCharm videos because I'm nosy. I want to know what I'm getting. But it seems like almost everybody I saw got this palette. Did anybody else get another palette? Somebody comment, tell me if you got a different one. Let me know. I don't know. But yeah, these shades are really pretty for real. Ciao. And I know I keep using the same finger, but my finger, the nails, I'm sorry. That's pretty too. That's just a couple swatches. What else did I get in here? So that was 3 things that I showed y'all. Let's go on to the brushes. Lavish brushes. Okay, I'm going to tell y'all this. I'll be excited to get brushes, but I'll be needing brushes because I just don't, like when I look at the price of brushes, once again, back to the point that I'm cheap, all right? I'm not paying that much for this stuff. I just don't. I either con somebody else into buying it for me, or I get it in BoxyCharm. That's what it is. So thank you, BoxyCharm, for coming up with this, because this is how I get my makeup. But anyways, let's look at these brushes. So Lavish 5-piece neon eye brush collection. A must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. Honey, all right, well, let's do it then. Let's do it then. Ready. They feel soft. This one kind of, they feel soft. They feel really good. They feel really good. This one feels like a paintbrush, kind of like one of them dollar store paintbrushes. I ain't trying to rank. It might work good. Probably do. But they feel really good, though. Except, I ain't going to say except. But it feel like a dollar store paintbrush. One of them Dollar Tree ones you get in the pack of 5. That's what it feel like. But anyways. This one has a spoolie on the end. So. But yeah. That's those brushes. And then the last thing in my box. Anyways. Is the Iconic London Illuminator. But anyways, so that's that. The Iconic London Illuminator. This concentrated liquid shimmer can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer. Or simply use on its own for super highlighted glow. Every drop of this super concentrated shimmer elixir glides on smoothly to bestow an ultra blendable glow. Ooh, to bestow a glow. But anyways, so yeah, that's this. I'm gonna open this up. I think when I do this, I want to try to mix it with my foundation. And this is not about BoxyCharm, but I'm gonna show you real quick. I did the try before you buy Il Maquillage. So my 2 weeks would be this week. And I've used it like 3 times, but I like it. It's so nice. I like it. So I'm going to use that. Anyways. Let's see what it's talking about. Hot. All right, so there's that. Ciao. Goodbye with that shimmer. With that, I put a lot on there. Look at that shimmer. Just look if I put it right. Ciao. What if I... Honey. Them 2 little puffs done got to me, didn't it? But anyways. Alright, we're gonna wipe that off. But yeah, this got some shine, shimmer, shine to it, dog. Wow. Look, my camera won't even pick up. That is crazy. Crazy. You see that? But anyhow, guys, that's everything in my BoxyCharm box for this month. Oh, by the way, I had variation 30. Variation 30 on the bottom of mine. I'll add up how much everything costs, and I'll put it underneath here shortly. But thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Make sure you hit the like button if you like this video. It was lightly whack, who cares? But anyways, hit the like button, smash that like button, and also subscribe down below. Peace.